Hello everyone, this is Yupriya Teman. Welcome back to our channel. Most children do not have long-term emotional problems even after being exposed to traumatic events. However, behavior changes occur when their brain tries to process what had happened. As parents, they try their best to protect their children. Still, kids go through trauma. Today, we are going to explore how to deal with trauma in kids and how to help them to recover from that phase. Things like abuse, natural disasters, or sudden death of their grandparents, siblings, or friends, or becoming orphan or being exposed to serious illness. All these can be traumatic for kids. In most cases, kids recover from trauma within a few weeks of grief. Still, some incidents shake them to core and behavior changes can be seen in them. And few behavior changes that you see is them becoming very much withdrawn from social gatherings, being quiet or hard to engage in social activities, or becoming very much anxious when the close people get away from them, or becoming very hard to comfort them, and them being very much clingy than usual or getting frustrated easily, trouble in sleeping and eating and also learning, and showing aggressive behaviors and using bad words. All these can be symptoms of trauma in kids. Today we are going to discuss few methods and behavior changes in the side of parents which help to recover from trauma in kids. At first, as parents respond to their need for comfort, attention and support. This will help them to feel safe sooner, and you can use sentences like I will take care of you, I will not let anything happen to you. These are much need reassurance for children. Also, sometimes even you may not be doing good emotionally, but for children, as parents, you are their safe place. So seeing you out of control or being weak for much long time will make them feel insecure. So manage your emotions and take charge of your feelings. So it will make a sense of peace inside you, and try to take professional help if things are out of control. The next is answering responsibly. Answer to your children's questions according to their level of understanding and development to digest the complex scenarios. Try to keep the answers short and crisp to avoid overthinking from the side of children, and also be honest. Try not to lie. At the same time, do not over explain about the incident. For example, you can use the sentence like, okay, some bad thing happened in family and we are taking care of the situation, but we are keeping you safe. This is giving them an acknowledge about the situation and also giving reassurance to your children. And as soon you can, please come back or get into a regular schedule if possible. So getting back to a structured routine make them reduce their fear and anxious, and also will give a feeling that everything will be okay again. Next is, in most traumatic situations, the incident stay highlighted rather than the part of getting rescued or survived. For example, if your kid saw an accident happening, the part where the cars hit or the person get injured will be highlighted in their brain or memory rather than the part where they get rescued or survived. And due to the lack of communication skills, they won't be able to communicate properly with their close ones. As parents, offer your child safe way through which they can express themselves, like drawing pictures, pretending play, or telling them their own stories. So these are simple yet excellent ways for children to express and work through those hard feelings. The next is being patient. Be patient when your child is being extra whiny, clingy or violent. Offer them extra cuddles or hug, or have more bedtime or family time to make them feel secured and safe. And also you can use strong yet soft voice with them. For example, they are being very much whiny. So instead of doing baby talk with them, that which usually most of the parents would do, use the voice which you would like them to use. For example, you can say, I cannot understand you. Can you just use your strong voice? Consoling and making them strong is as important and equal in the situations happening. The next is helping your kids by giving the words to explain how they feel. You can use sentences like, oh, you look sad or scared. What happened? You became mad because. By doing all these, you are helping your kid to label and recognize those strong emotions and feelings. Ignoring these emotions won't let them go. Instead, it will stay as a huge load in their mind, and the consequences will be shown in their later life by them becoming triggered to particular situations or scenarios. For example, people become so scared to dark situations or areas where there is water. So all these are triggered that caused back in their childhood. So when the time they seek help from professionals, they won't be remembering the root cause or incidents. The next is helping your child to enjoy themselves. Distractions like engaging in new extracurricular activities or going into new friend circle or playing with their peer groups helps a lot to distract themselves from being stuck to that particular situation or incident, and also bring back a sense of normalcy into their life. This helps a lot to distract and also to bring back the routine into their life. The next is, if possible, prevent or at least limit the news exposure to your kids. For the first few days after the incidents, mostly kids under age 2 to age 17 and even adults will be having nightmares. Many of them can be helped with some close ones or parents being there with them when they are sleeping. For few people, they won't be really able to sleep neither at daytime or night. So for them, it would be better if they seek professional help as soon as possible, because adequate sleep is necessary for proper functioning of body and mind. Finally, understand what children want in those situations. Children cope up in different ways. Some need alone time, some need to be with their parents or friends, and some need fresh air. That means they want to travel to get rid of those memories. But all children would want someone to listen, and as parents, even if they are not making any sense, concentrate on what they are telling and later only have clear conversations. Try to understand what is troubling them and how the children are viewing the situation that had happened. Let your kid know that to tell you how they are feeling is okay at any time. For more parenting wisdom and inspirations, stay tuned and thank you for watching.